Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever place you are watching me from. Let us have a look at this question. And this is a question of indices. That is, solve for x in the equation. 32 raised to x plus 1. Not plus, but minus 2 raised to 5x plus 2 equals to 896. Now, for us to solve this equation, we need to ensure that 32, 2, and 896, they are of the same base. We need to ensure that they are of the same base. We need to apply the laws, and then we apply the laws of indices to solve it. Now, 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5. 32 in power form or in index notation is just 2 raised to 5. And then we have the power, which is x minus, not even minus, but it is plus 1. Then we have minus 2 raised to 5x plus 2 equals to 896. Now, we need also to break down 896 into index notation or into power form, or we can just leave it that way. Let us try to look at what we have on our left hand side first, then we will proceed to look at what we have on our right hand side. Because on our right hand side we have 896, and on our left hand side we have numbers that are of the same base. So let us concentrate first on our left hand side. Now, this means we shall have 2 raised to 5x, because I want to open the bracket here. 5 times x is just 5x. Then 5 times positive 1 is just positive 5. Then we have minus 2 raised to 5x plus 2 equals to 896. Now, the next thing that we shall do is that since I have 2 raised to 5x plus 5 and also 2 raised to 5x plus 2, I can ensure that if this power have a base of 2 and also this power have a base of 2, then I can break down this power using the law of indices. That is, I can say 2 raised to 5x times, because of this plus, times 2 raised to 5. Then minus 2 raised to 5x, this 5x. Then because of this plus, I will have multiplication sign. That is times 2 raised to 2 equals to 896. Now, if I factor out 2 raised to 5x on our left hand side, that means we shall have 2 raised to 5x into 2 raised to 5. Then minus this minus 2 raised to 2. Then close the bracket equals to 896. Now, as you can see, this one is just the same as this. There is nothing different. I have only factored out 2 raised to 5x. Now, since these ones they are like terms, then I can say that is 2 raised to 5x into 2 raised to 5 is just 32 minus 2 raised to 2 is just 4 equals to 896. Now, that means we shall have 2 raised to 5x into 32 minus 4. 32 minus 4 is just 28. 32 minus 4 is just 28 from our calculator. So you can see that is 32 minus 4. It is just 28, as you can see. Now, since we have that, close the bracket here, equals to 896. Now, I can divide by 28 on both sides. I can divide by 28 on both sides. This one simplifies with this, and therefore we shall have 2 raised to 5x equals to 896 divided by 28 from our calculator. That is 896 divided by 28. As you can see, it is 32. That is 32. And therefore, this will be 32. Now, 2 raised to power 5x. I can also write 32 in power form or in index notation, because in index notation, and I can say that 2 raised to 5x, that is on our left hand side, equals to what we have on our right hand side, which is 32. 32 is just 2 raised to 5, and therefore, since the bases are the same, then I equate the powers. Therefore, 5x equals to 5, and therefore, if I divide by 5 on both sides, then our x will be 1. That is how we can obtain for the value of x. That is how we can obtain for the value of x in the equation. That is how we can obtain for the value of x in the equation. Thank you, guys.